This is my video on renewable energy technology. I'm going to be focusing today on the pyrolysis system, and this is a video by me, Erin Song. So the big question we're going to ask today is, what is renewable energy technology? So renewable energy technologies can be powered by many different sources, such as solar, wind, hydro, wave, tidal, and more. These sources usually come from the sun, wind, ocean, rivers, water sources, and anything like that. And these technologies help to generate electricity along with heat and fuel, which are almost daily necessities for everyone on the planet from renewable sources. These are some examples of renewable energy technology, some visual representation. So you can see the dam, you can see wind turbine, you can see solar panels, plants, like rivers, and there's obviously much more, but these are a select few. So the pyrolysis system, what is it? The pyrolysis system has the ability to convert waste such as plastic and any other disposable trash, such as like rubber that can be like tires, rubber bands, anything that's rubber, to like anything green, to like wood shavings, or anything like thrown away like sewage and food waste. And it turns all of that into renewable energy. Natural gas is used as the main source of heat for this system. The waste is put into an airlocked compartment and is heated indirectly inside. What that means is it's basically like an oven. There's a compartment for heat and a compartment with the waste inside, and it's basically like cooked inside without the heat directly touching the waste. And this method produces outcomes such as synthetic gas and diesel, which can be used as a replacement for things like fossil fuel. The system does not produce harmful substances such as carbon dioxide, which goes to show how useful and effective it can be in lowering the amount of CO2 and other greenhouse gases in the air that is a really big cause of global warming on the planet right now. So this is the pyrolysis system or the process shown visually of a slide that I read before. So these are some benefits of the pyrolysis system. These are a select few. There's obviously much more, but these are the main big benefits that I felt would be useful to people who had no knowledge about the pyrolysis system. So first of all, it helps solve existing environmental problems, like we're running out of spaces for landfills. Like in the ocean, it's becoming littered with plastic waste. Animals are dying because of it, and it will help solve many of those problems. Second, it produces valuable energy resources that can take over things such as fossil fuel, and that is important. Taking over fossil fuel, it'll be less damaging to the earth, less CO2 being produced, and that makes a really positive impact to the environment. Thirdly, it provides cost-effective alternatives to existing waste management practices, such as solid waste landfills. At the time, uh, these easier like practices like solid waste landfills, they may seem cheaper, but the pyrolysis system over time, you can see that it is more cost effective and it is also better for the environment. The pyrolysis system is applicable to a variety of carbonaceous feedstocks, including sewage sludge or animal waste, used tires, wood, and other cellulose based materials, for example, wooden construction debris, food waste, wood chips, green waste, etc., and plastic waste, medical waste, coal. You can see some pictures on the side. That's coal. That's a landfill of just plastic. There's obviously much more in that. And those are syringes, medical syringes, usually in hospitals too. Medical waste deemed mostly to be plastic, with blood bags, syringes, containers, pill bottles, stuff like that to be plastic. And to the side, it's just used tires, rubbers. When burned, produces a lot of CO2 and other greenhouse gases that are really bad for the environment. So, in conclusion, the pyrolysis system is one of the many renewable energy technologies in the world that can be used to reduce the production of greenhouse gases enormously. Global warming is a major problem in the world right now, and steps need to be taken to counter it. Converting many of our energy sources to renewable sources can make a big difference, and we need that change happening soon. These are my sources, and thank you.